If you love smoothies like I do, you are going to love Jungle Powders. And they gifted me their strawberry powder, so I am putting this to the test with my regular smoothie. Now, instead of having to have those fresh ingredients or frozen ingredients, this packs much smaller and truly is just 100% whatever it is supposed to be. So this one, of course, is 100% strawberry powder. That's all it is, to give you that taste and color that you expect from fresh or frozen strawberries. And I am putting a tablespoon of this strawberry powder up against 10 frozen strawberries. Now, normally I don't use this many strawberries. I usually do strawberries and banana and protein mix, but for this, I am just going to test strawberry smoothies. And once I blended them up, they both tasted extremely similar. The main difference was that the frozen strawberries made that smoothie that much colder, whereas the Jungle Powders strawberry smoothie was very smooth, very consistent taste throughout. So next up, I am definitely getting banana powder, because if I can have Jungle Powders, strawberry, and banana powders, then I truly am not limited by fresh or frozen fruits. I have everything I need. I am so in love and I highly recommend this.